Hi, I'm Dr. Ghulam Mesbouddin and I'm the founder of Talent Week. At Talent Week, our aim is to build future scientists. And to build as a life scientist, you need to grow your professional and technical skills in number of different angles, not only just research. When you do a life science research and grow as a researcher and eventually you call yourself as a scientist, but normally we think that we only work in the lab, which is not the case. You can work in a number of different sectors in life sciences and in the drug discovery. At Talent Week, we have designed a very specific professional and technical skill courses and trainings that will help a researcher or a student to grow as a scientist. Whether you are a graduate student or a postgraduate student or a researcher, it will help you to grow as a scientist in your professional career. On that point of view, Talent Week also organizes a number of events. That includes a monthly webinar. In this monthly webinar, we have a very specific rules and regulations. The monthly webinar topics are highly relevant to a scientific growth for a student, a researcher, or a scientist. That's why we have designed these webinars is registered only limited seats audience so that we can focus on that particular audience. During the registration of this webinar, few basic questions. Based on that information, we design the webinar session particularly for that audience so that audience can relate to their professional growth. Another important thing is because these webinars are private only, registered only events, in these events, audience can ask to the presenter directly in the question answer section, and presenter will be able to answer particularly to the audience. And finally, after the webinar, you will be requested to submit a survey, and after the survey is complete, Talent Week will provide a trackable certificate. Please note, any certificate that is provided by Talent Week, whether it is a webinar attendance or training or courses, these certificates can be trackable, which means anyone can verify this certificate with your information. Those who have already registered in one of our webinar, I'm very excited to meet you all, and I'm looking forward to the future webinar section. You can always email us to info@talentweek.com.